Break store. Break store. It's time to get up. Okay, Mom, you can leave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sweetheart. Get dressed for school. It's gonna be so boring. Time to fix this hair and get dressed. After she get dressed... Your food's on the table. Okay. Cooking some food. Cooking some grub. Okay, Mom, going to school. Okay, don't talk to strangers. This bitch, no, I won't talk to strangers at school. Hey, little kid. Why he just put up? Stay away from me, my senpai, or I'll kill you. Okay. Better go inside. I hate this. It's that kid again. Hey, new kid. Hey. So you love this girl than me? Then I'll just kill her. No!